Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to open a 1991 Marvel's Fantastic First Covers Series 2 trading cards by Comic Images. There's 10 cards in the pack. You can see it's a new series of #1 covers. Collect all 100. So I'm going to get to cracking here and see what kind of cool stuff we got in here. Yeah, these are very nice. The Punisher, Machine Man, Storm and Alana, Magic, the Jack of Hearts, Darkhawk, Quasar. There's the back of the card with some information, some credits it looks like. The Wolverine Saga, Marvel Superhero Contest of Champions, when heroes gather. That's really cool. 1982. And finally, oh wait, we got two more. Wolverine and the Life of Captain Marvel. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great evening, everyone.